Good morning students. Today is 3rd of June and we are going to learn today's topic, current topic. For the first topic for today is how to calculate commission for partners. How will you calculate the commission for partners, the commission to be given to the partners? Okay, we have basically two methods. Actually there are two different methods of calculating uh, the commission for partners. Okay, the methods will be used as per the question is given. Okay, so there basically we will get two different types of question. One is before charging any such commission, and the other one is after charging any such commission. Okay, so in case the partner's commission is to be calculated before charging any such commission, we have a very simple formula for that. Okay, so how will we calculate? Commission will be calculated as our net profit into rate by 100. Okay, and in case it is after charging any such commission, so the commission will be calculated as net profit into rate by 100 plus rate. Okay, now let us take two different questions for these cases. Okay, it will be very much clear for you. So let's first do the before charging case. Suppose A and B are partners. A and B are partners sharing profit in 7:3. Okay, they earn net profit, let's say rupees 10,000. Okay, then commission for A is calculated on the basis of before charging any such commission at the rate 10%. Okay, so how will we calculate? It is a very simple question. Let's see. A and B are partners. They share profit in the ratio 7:3. Their net profit is rupees 10,000. Now A is to be given a commission on the basis of before charging any such commission. So before charging any such commission at the rate 10% per annum. Okay, so how will we calculate commission? So it is very easy. The commission will be calculated as net profit. What is the net profit? The net profit is 10,000 into rate. What is the rate? 10 by 100, right? So it will be, I think, 1,000. Okay, so this is how we calculate commission if it is mentioned as before charging any such commission. Okay, now let's take the same question. Let's take the same question and let's see how it affects if it is after charging any such commission. Okay, in case of after charging any such commission, how the commission is affected. Okay, so according to the formula will be for after charging rate by 100 plus rate. Okay, so it will be 10 by 100 plus 10. So it will be like this: 10,000 into 10 by 110, right? So it will be around 11 9s are 99, then 90, 11 8s are 8, then 20, 11 1s are 11. It will be around be just something like this, 98.1 or 981 or 9, let's take it as 980. Let's round it up to 980. So the commission in this case will be rupees 980. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding this, just WhatsApp me. Okay, and you can ask for the doubts. Okay, just get it cleared. And I will be coming up with our next topic, that is when the partners are having insufficient profit. Okay, thank you.